Hi, in this video I am going to be talking about the vitamins and their types in 1 minute. Suppose. Now you are watching Learn with Vivekanand YouTube channel. Vitamins is organic compounds that is essential in small quantities for normal physiological functions, growth and maintenance of the health in living organisms. Since most vitamins cannot be synthesized by the body, they must be obtained through the diet or supplementations. Vitamins are organic compounds essential for normal growth, development, metabolism. They are classified into two main types based on their solubility. First, fat-soluble vitamins. Stored in the body, fatty tissues, liver do not need to be consumed daily. There are many examples. Vitamins A. Importance for vision, immune functions, skin. Vitamins D. Support bone health, immune system functions. Vitamin A acts as an antioxidant protecting cells from damage. Vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone metabolisms. Second, water-soluble vitamins. Not stored in the body and needs to consume regularly. Excess in usually excreted in urine. Examples: Vitamin B complex group. B1, thiamine, energy metabolisms and nerve functions. B2, riboflavin, energy productions and skin health. B3, niacin, supports metabolisms and skin health. B5, pantothenic acids, hormone synthesis and energy metabolisms. B6, pyridoxines, red blood cells productions and brain health. B7, biotin, skin, hair and energy metabolisms. B9, folate, DNA synthesis and fetal development. B12, cobalamin, nerve functions and red blood cells productions. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, antioxidant, support immune functions, add iron absorptions. Each vitamin has a specific role in maintaining health, and deficiencies can lead to the various health issues. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.